Welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into front yard landscape design idea that can complete transforming the look of your home. Your front yard is the first thing guest and needed note it set the tone for your attached home. Whether you have a smart front yard, a long lasting and something in benefit, the right landscape design chose both cub appear in corrective popular value and create a welcome atmosphere. Let's explore landscape and budget friendly front yard landscape idea you can use for your next project. Understanding the property of front yard landscape. The far choose plants of hardscape functional. It's important to understanding what's your front yard need to do. A good front yard design balance beauty with functional. It should guest visitor natural of your front door highlight architecture functional of your home and remain easy to main interest. Ask yourself, do you want a format or natural look? How much time can you determine to main entrance? It's provide important. Do you perfect an open design? Choose a stream layout and focal point. Every great front yard design start with a clean layout. This define away gardening bed and entrance point. A focal point gives the eyes somewhere to restrict and add chaptering to the yard. Popular front yard focal. A dining tree, a water functional board, statement point, a beautiful design front door with frame plants. Your Pathway should have important workway, feel relaxed and natural. Plants create a format modern look. Choose the right plants your front yard. Plants are the heart of an landscape design mix different high textile and color create interior all year round. Tree and herb. Smart optimizing tree like format add structure should provide an not published look and work well almost being need the home. Thank you for watching this video.